The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Allegan County in southwestern Michigan, Ottawa County in southwestern Michigan, Muskegon County in west central Michigan, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 5 miles west of Montague to 7 miles west of Roosevelt Park to 18 miles southwest of Grand Haven to 31 miles northwest of South Haven, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muskegon, Holland, Grand Haven, Allegan, Walker, Muskegon Heights, Hudsonville, Zeeland, Coopersville, Wayland, Otsego, Roosevelt Park, Plainwell, North Muskegon, Ferrysburg, Whitehall, Montague, Spring Lake, Fenville, Lakewood Club. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.